In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube video to your Kajabi landing page. This process is simple and can greatly enhance the appeal of your page, so let's dive right in. First, we need to procure the direct link to your YouTube video. Head over to your YouTube channel and find the specific video you want to embed. Once there, after playing the video or navigating to its page, look for the share button beneath the video, click on it, and you'll see the option to copy link. Alternatively, you can simply copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. Either method works just fine. Keep this link handy as you'll need it in a moment. Now it's time to log into your Kajabi account. Open up your web browser and go to the Kajabi website. Sign in with your credentials, and once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the website section, which you can find on the left-hand menu. From there, click on Pages to access all your existing landing pages. Select the landing page you'd like to edit by clicking on it. We're now set to edit the page. Once you've opened the page to edit, you're in the Kajabi page builder, which gives you the versatility to customize your page layout. Our next step is to include the video block. You have two options here. You could either add a completely new video section or insert the video into an existing section. If you choose to set up a new one, start by clicking the plus add section button and selecting video. Then click add to place it on your page. In the settings sidebar that appears, paste the YouTube video link that you copied earlier into the video URL field. Alternatively, if you prefer to add the video to a section that's already on your page, simply click plus add content within that section and choose video. Just like before, paste your YouTube link into the video URL field here as well. Now that your video is embedded, we can carry on to tweak some settings for optimal appearance. In the settings sidebar, you'll have the opportunity to modify aspects such as the video's title, description, alignment, and size to best fit your page's aesthetic and functionality needs. Conveniently, Kajabi will automatically employ the YouTube video player to handle playback, streamlining the process further for you. Finally, once you're pleased with how your video is set up, you'll want to save your work. Look for the Save button located at the top right corner and click it to secure your edits. A critical step is to preview your page to ensure everything appears and functions as desired. Click on Preview and you'll be able to see firsthand how the video integrates into your landing page. That concludes our tutorial for today. Embedding a YouTube video can be a valuable asset to engage your audience further. And now you are fully equipped to do just that on your Kajabi landing